When you're logged into the back end of your website, you can easily find pages that are in your website by navigating down here to the left hand side to pages, and it will show all of the pages that are on your site. This can go over multiple pages, and in which case you'll have to click here and go across, and then you can see which pages are in draft mode and which pages are published. You can find your privacy page, terms and conditions, all these type of things here. If you have multiple pages of pages to try to find, then you can search for a page here. So I'm going to just search for contact by type contact, and it'll bring up contact here. So if you type the full word, it will refine it to specifically that page. So I'll just press X here and press enter again, and it'll bring back all of the pages. There are things you can do. You can change the order, you can change the publish date and things on the front of this really quickly by going to quick edit, and you can change who the author is. So you can choose the preferred author, you can choose the title, you can choose the metadata. You can add in metadata here really quickly. You can add in the focus key phrase for the page really quickly here. So this is all pertaining to SEO optimization, and you can add the publish date and time as well. So if you want to change the date and time of publish. So there's further things that need to be done for a page to be optimized for Google and things. So like we'll go into contact us, for example, and we'll click edit here. So you can edit a page in the back end, and this brings you through to the default WordPress editor. And when you go into this, you'll see that it has the smart crawl statistics. This is your SEO optimization software. So you're going to type in your focus key phrase for your page based on our research that we've provided to you. You can also assess the readability of the page. So there'll be a full video on SEO optimization going to you, but that's just where the smart crawl is located. You can change whether it's public or private by clicking this and choosing to private it. You can change the publish date by clicking here and changing the publish date. You can also set this for a future date to schedule pages or posts to go out. You can change the author here. You can choose a particular template for a page. You can change the permalink of it. So it's currently set to form. You can change that to contact or something more relevant. You can change the featured image of the page. So you set the featured image and choose the image and set featured image. This is useful for when you're sharing your page across social media. It's really handy to be able to see an image of the page show automatically. So this is where you do that. You change the image there. You can change the excerpt of the page if you wish. That's a little short piece that can help with SEO sometimes. And you can also change whether the page has dot navigation on or off. So dot navigation is navigation on the right hand side that skips between sections on your page. So you typically leave it off, but we'll advise you whether to turn it on or off. And then you can decide whether to allow comments or turn them off as well on pages. So that's basically what you do with in the back end to optimize a page. You can put in the title of the page up here. So I might want to add in my business name or something like that into the contact us. I'll put a little hyphen, and then we have this built with Divi Builder. I'm just going to hit update here. If I wanted to return to the default WordPress editor, I click here to return to default editor. There's issues with the default editor in that it's not as optimized for different devices, and we can't assure that it's going to give you as much functionality as other devices, as the Divi Builder would. So I'm just going to switch it back to use the Divi Builder, and then going forward I can use the Divi Builder with this page. Divi Builder gives you access to all the sections, the rows, the modules, the call to action, and we can also template out pages so that they look different for different types of pages that are on the website. So then when you're all finished with your changes, you can click update. At any stage in the process, you can click preview, and then you click desktop, and preview a new tab, and you can see what the page is looking like as you're changing it. So that's basically how you can edit a page in from the back end. When you click on edit with the Divi Builder, it's the exact same as, so it's okay to leave the site. It's the exact same as clicking enable visual builder up here on the top of the page when you're out on the front end, and then just like the other way, you can click exit visual builder when you're finished making all your changes.